Hello there, it's Diorama Don here once more. Welcome everybody. Before we continue, please subscribe to the channel, click that like button. So some weeks ago I made a tiger tank from cardboard. So it meant that I had to make everything that fitted onto the tank myself. So I made all the tools. Can you see? Spade and hammer, and this side another cutters. So I made all the tank tools myself. Now when you've spent hours and hours making your Tamiya kit, gluing everything together, and then spending many more hours painting, weathering, chipping, rusting, doing everything possible to the tank, I guarantee the first thing that anybody will say when you show them the finished tank is, "Oh, look at that little spade." It's guaranteed. They will always pick out on the little tiny tools that you stick on the tank. Well, the friends I know anyway. I just thought I'd mention how easy it is if you wanted any. Obviously you get the tools with the kit, but if you needed any extra tools, how easy it is to actually make. So I use for the head of the hammer just a quarter of an inch of a barbecue stick. The handles are all toothpicks, and for the spade head, the head of the spade, just very thin cardboard. So it's pretty obvious how to make it, but it's just to show that it is possible to make a set of tools quite easily. This took me about 10 minutes to make all these. And obviously you paint them the same as you would your plastic kit. I'm not very good at painting, but I'm sure you'd make a better job making them look more realistic. So that's all. That's all this video entails. Just the possibility of making your own tank tools. Okay, so thanks for watching. Like I say, please subscribe. You will be informed when other videos come along. In the meantime, have a go yourself. Make a tool. And if you do, I wish you the very best of happy modelling.